2024 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.